Hello everybody, we are finishing up with our fun and creative buildings today inspired by Iggy Peck. So if there's anything that you need to finish coloring on your building, of course, go ahead and do that first. And remember, you don't need to color the background because we're going to be cutting this paper out. If you're done with coloring already, all you need is your project and a pair of scissors today. So the first thing that we're going to do is cut our building out from the rest of the white paper. If you have anything small or delicate, make sure you're being careful as you cut around that. Okay, so once you have your building cut out, we're going to do what's probably the hardest part of this project, which is actually folding our building in half so that way it can stand up like an actual building. So in order to do that, I want you to flip it over to the back. I want you to decide what is your halfway mark on your building. Now mine's the same shape on both sides, so it's a little bit easier to decide that. If yours is a little bit different, just decide what's about halfway through. All right, and then we're going to carefully, especially if we're using thicker paper, bring it over, make sure that we're at that halfway mark and press down. Make a nice crease with our fingers. We might have to work especially carefully at any of the smaller details. The awesome part though is when it unfolds, it is able to, I know you can't quite see that, but it's able to stand up on its own like an actual building. And that means that your building project is done. I hope you are proud, all of my little architects, of the work that you have done, and I'm so excited to see the imaginative buildings that you have created.